So when I first got my hands on the Jabra Elite 75Ts, I was pretty excited. I've already watched a couple of reviews from some of my favorite earbud reviewers, and they've given pretty good marks. Now, I also know that Jabra has made some pretty world-class products in the past, and that the Jabra Elite 75Ts are apparently one of those products. But how do they stack up to the wildly competitive earbud arena that we're in right now? Well, let's find out. So we're going to go ahead and skip the unboxing here because, to be honest with you, you get some additional ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, and some of the assorted manuals and other papers that you would come to expect. However, I will say that the packaging is really pretty, so here's a nice long look at that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and talk about design. From the case to the earbuds themselves, Jabra did a great job of creating a compact package while still delivering on many of the features you're going to be looking for in your next pair of earbuds. They didn't get them all, but we'll go over that as we move through the review. The case itself is pretty nice and compact as well. It has USB-C charging and a small LED to indicate the charging status, as well as some very low-key Jabra branding on the front. It also has quick charging via USB-C, which gives you an additional 60 minutes of battery life with only 15 minutes of charge, which makes it great and super convenient for people on the go. And while we're talking about charging, I'll also mention that you get 7.5 hours of battery life on a single charge and a total of 28 hours on the entire system. Not bad for such a small form factor. The design of the earbuds is also very sleek. They have a two-tone color scheme with clean matte finishes. The Jabra branding is present on the buttons, but it's not overly aggressive and looks tasteful. Now, the one thing I did find myself wishing for was touch controls, but unfortunately these are indeed a pair of button earbuds. However, they did do the button correctly, making it a soft push that is very responsive. They also did a great job of avoiding that feeling of jamming something down into your ears every time you try to use it. But at the end of the day, I would like to have seen the touch controls, but maybe potentially in a future model. Now, with the lack of touch controls, I will give them this though. They did add a bonus by including the smart in-ear sensors that automatically pause and play your audio when you remove and replace your earbuds. Super convenient. However, I am also sad to say that they do not have dual connect on these pairs of earbuds. You can only use the right earbud on its own, so we're going to go ahead and add that to the wish list for a future model as well. And while we're speaking about controls, let's talk about the app, because it is perhaps one of the most important features you're going to find owning the Jabra Elite 75Ts. The app is amazing. This is the brains that take this pair of earbuds from being a solid pair of earbuds to being able to add them to my top 5 favorites currently that I'm using at this time. The EQ settings and adjustments are smooth and responsive, allowing you to tune the sound perfectly for your listening preference. Save it to one of the 3 presets and you're ready for any situation you find yourself in. Now, if you're a little intimidated or you don't want to take the time to mess around with the EQ settings yourself, you can use one of the presets that come built in and they can do the job for you. Another great feature of the app is the easy access to Jabra's Hear Through passive audio mode, which makes being aware of your surroundings easy, and it works so stinking well. Turning this feature on, I can hear outside sounds while listening to my music and podcasts. You can even adjust the volume on the outside audio on the fly within the app. Now, I could spend the next 30 minutes talking about the app and all of its features. I will leave you with one last one that I felt I was very super surprised with, and it worked really, really well as well, and that is soundscapes. The app comes preloaded to help you focus, meditate, or just simply relax with sounds ranging from white and pink noise, waterfalls, ocean waves, and even a crowd for all of us that has been stuck at home for a while that might not remember what one sounds like. Jabra's got you covered. So in short, no matter what your audio goals are, Jabra has really set the bar for customization and personalization of the sound using their app. Then, to be honest with you, I have not seen a better app thus far in all the reviews that I've done, so that is a huge bonus for the Elite 75Ts. Keeping sound in mind, the audio quality on the Elite 75Ts is pretty solid. Now, I won't dive in too much and talk about the audio curve itself because at the end of the day, you're probably going to be wanting to make some customization and adjustments anyway. But I will say that whether you like it warm, cold, sharp, mid-heavy, or want that brain-rattling bass, the Elite 75s can make it happen. So for all you bass heads out there, rejoice. The Elite 75Ts can deliver for you as well. One last thing I wanted to mention for all of you out there searching for the best possible sound quality, ComplyFoam, one of my favorite ear tips brands, just released the True Grip Pro ear tips designed specifically for Jabra products. Meaning that if you thought the sound and fit of your earbuds was good before, ComplyFoam tips take fit, comfort, and sound level to the next level. I've included links down in the description below. Keep in mind that those are affiliate links and this is not a paid or sponsored segment. I just love ComplyFoam tips that much that I wanted to share it with you as well. And last but not least, when it comes to calling quality, the 4 microphones dedicated to helping people hear you performed really well. Check out this clip and let me know in the comments what you think.
All right, guys, so here is an audio test of the Jabra Elite 75T. Now, these are 4 microphones that are designed to pick up my voice and give you the best possible quality on your phone calls and conference calls. And I will also mention that as soon as I started this test, it automatically activated the passive audio mode. So I can also hear what's going on in the room around me while I'm testing the microphones.
So at the end of the day, the Jabra Elite 75Ts are going to run you about $180 at the time of making this video. The question is, are they worth it? And before I say anything else, I do want to mention that these are in my top 5 favorite earbuds of all time. So I do love these earbuds, but I do think that $180 price tag at this point in this current competitive market is a little bit too high. I'd like to see these guys somewhere in that $125 to $150 range, because at the end of the day, the sound quality is fantastic. The app is literally the best I've seen so far. However, they're lacking some pretty serious features, which we covered in this review. And we also have to keep in mind that we are starting to see active noise canceling earbuds coming in at a lower price point. So I'm super curious to see what you guys have to say. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up down in the comment section below. I try to reply to as many of those as I possibly can, because at the end of the day, the goal is to help you guys make a better tech buying decision. So that's it for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.